Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Happy Friday. Welcome to Just Cook DC Copper Friday night cocktails. My sister, thank you sis, sent me some wild fermented apple cider. I've been having a couple of it during the week. It's Friday. I'm gonna spike it up. So we're gonna make a spiked cider. Cider's kind of on the lighter side. It's a mild drink, a lot milder than wine. We spice it up. I got me some good bourbon. We're gonna spice this up. Here's how we're gonna do it. Bourbon, cinnamon sticks, fresh lemon for garnishing, and cider. That's about it. Let's make this drink. We're gonna start with cocktail ice. Right in there. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of bourbon right in there. Get my cider open. Fill it up. That should do it. We're gonna give it a nice spice. Cinnamon stick. Doink. Careful not to cut yourself. Bingo. Release the salt. That goes right in there. Ladies and gentlemen, spiked cider. Let's see how we did. So if you like if you like cider with a little kick in it, you like just a bite in it, that's pretty cool. It's like taking a shot of bourbon and chasing it with cider. Very appley, very probably a fall drink. Yeah, thank you so much for spending time with me. If you have cider, bourbon, ice, lemon, cinnamon stick, you can make a spiked cider. Have a good weekend. Thank you so much.